Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Venmo to enable invoice payments for insurance services, beginner guide step by step clearly.
Begin by opening the Venmo app on your smartphone. Log into your Venmo account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, select sign up and follow the prompts to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the menu, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines in the upper left corner. Select Settings from the menu options.
Scroll down to find the Payment Methods section.
Tap on Add Bank or Card. Choose between adding a bank account or debit card. If you choose to add a bank, select Bank and follow the prompts to link your bank account. You may need to provide your account number and routing number. If you prefer to add a debit card, select Card and enter the card information as prompted.
Now, return to the main menu and tap on Pay or Request at the bottom of the screen.
Select Request to create an invoice. In the Who field, enter the recipient's information. In the What field, describe the insurance services provided. In the Amount field, enter the total amount due for the services. You can also add a note for additional context if needed.
After reviewing your invoice details, tap Request to send it. Your recipient will receive a notification of the invoice through the Venmo app. Once they accept and pay the invoice, funds will be transferred to your Venmo account.
To finalize your setup, ensure your profile is updated with accurate business information.
This enhances professionalism and trust for clients using your invoicing system.
Remember to check Venmo's guidelines on business transactions to stay compliant. You're now ready to accept invoice payments for your insurance services through Venmo.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.